Welcome back, yogis. Now it's time to unroll the yoga mat and start the never-ending journey inwards. Time to tune into the body and breath and become connected to the present moment. I invite you to join me this month for gentle yoga practices which will help you relax, stretch, and find happiness inside. Start your journey, find your flow. Let's start on the hands and knees with simple cat-cow. On the inhalation, you open your chest. On the exhalation, you round your back. Inhale nice and long. Open your chest and look up. Exhale, press the floor away, round your back. Look at your belly button. Inhale nice and long, look up. Exhale, round your back. Wonderful. Let's take a child's pose. Feet together, knees out wide. Walk your hands forward and release your hips down towards your heels. Stretch out through the sides of your body and relax your forehead on the floor. Melt away all the tension, soreness and stiffness. Relax completely. Let go of all negative emotions, pain. Relax. Open your eyes and move forward to hands and knees. Hands directly underneath your shoulders. Tuck your toes under and slowly lift your hips up. Start walking your dog. Bending the knees, cycling through the feet. Continue pushing the floor away, lifting the hips higher. Now move your heels towards the floor, stretching the back of the legs. Lift your right leg up, square your hips, deep inhale. As you exhale, lift your leg a little bit higher and bend the knee. Open through the hips, but continue keeping your shoulders in one line. Right leg down, left leg up. Deep inhale, open through the hip. And as you exhale, stretch your right heel down towards the floor. Release your left leg down. Bend your knees and walk forward towards your hands. Come to forward fold. Heels in, toes out, squat all the way to Malasana. Elbows in front of your thighs. Melt your hips and relax deeply. Now, bring your hands down on the floor. Pitch your shoulders forward. Bring your knees on the upper arms and try your first balance. Lightly, simply just lift one leg at a time. Right leg and then left leg. Exhale. Come back to forward fold, feet parallel. Lift your chest up, hands on the sides. Come all the way up to standing. Feet together, hands at your heart. Let's start Sun Salutation A. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Relax your neck. Inhale, lift your chest, look forward. As you exhale, step to the back of the mat, keep your plank. On the exhalation, bend your elbows. Inhale, lift your chest, look up. Exhale, lift your hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Let's hold the pose for a couple more breaths. Press the hands into the floor and stretch your hips towards the sky. Distribute weight evenly between your hands and feet. Look forward, bend your knees and step in between your hands. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come up to standing, hands overhead. Exhale, bend the knees, Sun Salutation B. Inhale, stretch your arms out to the sides and up. Look up. Exhale, fold forward. Extend through the knees. Inhale, lift your chest. As you exhale, jump back, keep your shoulders over the wrists, chaturanga. Untuck your toes, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step your right foot in between your hands, keep your left heel grounded. Arms up, exhale, step back, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Left foot in between your hands, knee over the ankle, arms up. Exhale, hands down, step back, chaturanga. Inhale to up dog, exhale to downward facing dog. Listen to the sound of your breath. Reach your right leg up. Inhale. As you exhale, knee to chest, step your right foot outside of your right hand. Drop your back knee down on the floor. On the inhalation, twist towards the right inner thigh. On the exhalation, bend the back knee and take hold of your left foot. Squeeze your heel towards your glute. Hold. Relax your hips deeply so that you can feel a nice stretch in the hip flexor. Hands down. Step back. Bend the knees. Bend the elbows and lie down on the floor. Lifting the chest, place your left arm in front. Bend your right knee. Take hold of your right foot. And now start squeezing your heel towards the floor just next to your outer right hip. Hold. Send your shoulders forward, squaring the shoulders, and press the floor away with your left arm. On the exhalation, release and relax, hands down next to your lower ribs. Lift your chest, lift your arms off the floor. Lift your legs and hold, engage in the back muscles. Tucking the tailbone towards the heels. Hands down, up dog, inhale. Downward dog, exhale. Left side, left leg up, deep inhale. Bend the knee, knee towards your chest, step your left foot outside of your left hand. Drop your back knee down. On the inhalation, twist towards your left inner thigh, look back, bend the right knee and take hold of your right foot. Squeeze your foot towards the buttock and relax your hips deeply down. Stretching the front thigh and the hip flexor. Relax, release, hands down. Step back. Bend the knees. Bend the elbows, lie down. Right arm in front, just parallel to the front mat. Bend the left knee and take hold of your left foot with your left hand. Press your heel down towards the floor. Relax the hips. Tuck your tailbone and engage the glutes slightly. Release and relax. On the inhalation, lift your chest. Interlace the hands behind the hips. And lift your chest off the floor. Lift your legs. Hold. Breathing in. Breathing out. Relax down. Take deep inhale and on the exhalation, side out. Bend your right leg, bend your left leg. Take a hold of your feet from the outside. Take a hold of your shins. And on the inhalation, lift your chest off the floor. Squeeze your inner thighs. Lightly engage the glutes. Hold. Relax. Hands next to your ribs. Inhale, lift your chest. Look up, up dog. Bend the knees and sit back to child's pose. Slowly roll all the way up to seated. Lift your hips in line with your knees. Separate your knees as wide as your hips. Place your hands on the lower back and push your hips slightly forward, lifting the chest far from the hips. Look up and back. Look at the wall behind you. If you can, plant your hands next to your heart. Sit back in between your heels. If it's too difficult for you, you can place your feet together and just sit back. Take hold of your opposite elbow and lift your arms. Relax your arms on the front thighs and lift your hips up. Come back up, lift your hips over your knees, hands on the lower back, Ustrasana. Lift your chest. The second option, place your hands on the heels and continue pushing your hips forward so that your hips in line with your knees. Lift your chest up towards the ceiling and exhale. Let's come back up. Wonderful. Sit back again. Take hold of the opposite elbow and lift your arms. Stretch through the sides of your body and relax your breath. Come back, hands forward. Come onto your hands and knees, tuck your toes. On the inhalation, lift your hips. Downward facing dog. Right leg up, deep inhale. As you exhale, step your foot in between your hands. Crescent lunge. Lift your chest halfway. Look forward. On the inhalation, spread your arms and lift your chest over your hips. Come back forward, hands to your heart, and take it off to Warrior 3. Your torso and your left leg parallel to the floor. If you can, relax your hands down towards the floor and take standing split, lifting your left leg higher. Come back. Release your left leg down, hands on the sides, lift all the way up to standing. Step your left leg back, point your right foot, bend the right knee. Now take a hold of your right foot with your right hand. Reach your left arm forward. On the inhalation, start lifting your right knee up. Press your foot into your hand and reach your left arm forward. Hold and balance in dancer's pose. Let's come back. Release your foot. Sit back, Utkatasana, arms up, look up. On the exhalation, lightly, slowly release your hips down to Navasana pose. From Navasana, extend your legs forward and sit up back. Extend and sit up. Exhale. Touch your toes. Exhale. And last one. Cross your shins. Fold forward and step back. Chaturanga. Untuck your toes. Up dog. Exhale. Tuck your toes under. Downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. As you exhale, bring your knee towards your chest and step your foot in between your hands. Lift your chest. Send your arms back, and on the inhalation, reach your arms up and over your head. Exhale, hands to your heart. Lean forward and pick it up to standing, balancing in Warrior 3. On the exhalation, move your hands down, lift your right leg up. You can hold here, balance, lifting the right leg a little bit higher with each exhalation. On the inhalation, lift your chest, place your foot down, find your hands on the sides and come back up to standing. Step your right foot back, point to your left foot and take hold of your left ankle. Reach your right arm up and forward. Hold here. On the inhalation, start sending the left heel up. Find a balance in dancer's pose. Hold and breathe. Exhale. Release the pose. Feet together. Reach your arms up, seat back to Utkatasana. Then slowly move your hips all the way down towards the floor, sit back. Extend your feet forward, flex your feet, and reach your hands forward, fold forward. Relax and release your chest over the thighs. Inhale and lift your chest. As you exhale, bring your hips forward, separate your feet as wide as your hips. Roll all the way down through each vertebra. Lie down on the floor. Head down. Bring your heels to your hips as close as possible. Then reach your arms back, hands under your shoulders. Squeeze your elbows towards the midline. On the inhalation, head first on the floor. On the exhalation, extend through the elbows. Lift your chest up and forward over your wrists. Press your feet into the floor, extending through the knees. Lift your hips higher. Hold. Continue breathing in and out. Head first, down, tuck your chin to your chest and lie down. Relax. Soles of the feet together, knees out wide. Right hand on your chest, left hand on your belly. Take deep inhale and sigh out. Relax. You can continue holding Subha Baddha Konasana or just relax your legs all the way and relax in Shavasana. Relax your feet, relax your knees, relax your entire legs, relax your belly, your chest, relax your shoulders, relax your arms completely, relax your neck. Fully exhale and melt down towards the floor. Shavasana. You can stay for longer, or you can finish here with me. First, move your hands and feet. Reach your arms up and over your head, extend through the heels. Bring your knees at your chest and rock side to side, massaging the lower back. Then come onto your right side and melt down and relax for a second. Push back to seated. Cross your shins. Place your right hand onto your chest, left hand onto your belly. May this practice heal and strengthen our body and mind. May this practice heal and strengthen our body and mind. Thank you very much for watching and practicing with me. I hope you enjoy this series. Repeat them again and again. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that we can practice together again.